Okay, here we go, part two to installing some speakers. We got the km8s here. Showed you last video all lit up. So today I'm going to cut our speaker holes. I finally decided where I wanted to put them. Got that one drawn out. I was thinking there, but I might actually move it ahead a little bit. And what we need to cut our holes, we got the metal drill bit for cutting your fiberglass, and then just kind of size it up so that that drill bit is big enough to fit that. And I'll try to set the camera up because I know I want that one right there. I'll show you tracing out the circle for the other one. We'll start cutting this hole. Okay, here we go. We're gonna just kind of make it so it comes down from that line, just so we touch the line. Okay, now let's open up this jigsaw, brand new, and we'll start cutting our hole. Alright, exciting. Got settings here. So we'll turn, I think we'll go to that one, try that. Let's try putting our blade in. Well, I might have to read the instructions. There we go. Okay. Got to move nice and slow. Now if you guys notice while I'm doing this, I'm going back and forth a little bit just to make this circle nice. The other thing I'll point out here is that I stay on that side of the line so that you know that speaker is going to fit. You see how I'm cutting just to the outside. I'll just take our speaker, perfect fit, and I'll just drill my holes, pre-drill my holes, and we'll mount this up. Just going to do a quick vacuum, get rid of all this fiberglass dust because I don't want to be walking through this and getting it everywhere, so I'll just take a minute here and vacuum this up. And one other tip I'll do is that use your cutout piece to find out what size your screw holes is, so that you're not making a whole bunch of drill holes. So you're not making a whole bunch of drill holes in your fiberglass for your finished product. So we're just going to see what size of bit this actually is. You know, this way if you drill the hole too big, you don't have a strip screw or something. And that's a dull drill bit. So that's nice. It's a good fit. So that's one that we'll use as an 1.8 inch. Drill our holes and mount our speaker up here. Okay, so now now that we know those are the right size, we'll take this. Make sure our K is at the top. Let's see, it's nice. So now we're gonna re-drill our holes. Thought we were. Not quite in line. Okay. She's gonna look good. What I'll do, leave that there. Grab a couple screws out of my package. This way we don't get any in the wrong spots. Makes it easier if you just pull that out, just tip it back so you can tell that you're in the hole. Always put these in with screwdrivers, don't drill them in, you'll just crack or strip the fiberglass. You can hear it as I tighten it up. You guys probably can't. So there, those two are done. Now I'll drill my bottom ones so that this won't move around on me. There it is. So now we'll do one more on the other side, and that's how easy it is. Okay, here we go. I'm gonna trace this out so I can figure out where I want this speaker to actually go, but I'm just gonna give myself 2 spots because you only get to cut this once. So now they give you these in the kit, so what I do is keep it equal. And you have these cutouts inside those kicker boxes. Usually every speaker box has these. I think I'm going to go right here and offset these 2 speakers just a bit. I think up there it's going to be too close, so I think I'll stagger it. Alright, here we go. Now we'll do one more hole So you guys, if you missed anything, and then we'll show you the final product here once I get this boat all cleaned up. Okay, we go drilling our hole again. Just gonna reach in behind here before take a quick look, just to make sure there's nothing in behind every time you do this. I know there's not, but even though I know there's not, I'm still gonna look. You wanna look in behind fiberglass, especially in a boat, before you start cutting or drilling anything. And we are clear. So here we go. It's scary every time, I'm not gonna lie to you guys. Now if you notice, what I do is just sort of rock that bit, just to make sure that that is gonna fit in there. I'll get my handy cameraman here to just back up a little bit if he can, so that he doesn't get fiberglass all over him. Okay, now I'll do a little cleanup here. Okay, here we go. Again, make sure it's, well, you don't have to, but I like to make sure that the kicker there's up at the top. Such a tight area. Get our screws and our screwdriver. Put it in the hole there. So it goes through both. Just tip it in. First one's always the hardest to start. You can see it wants to fall out. That's why I like to put in top two. I can hold them, and then tighten them up so that it doesn't move around on me and I have too many holes in the speaker. You laughing at me for? Okay, two more holes. Okay, I'll finish doing this last one here, and then I'll show you the speaker layout of this boat. If you guys wouldn't mind going down to that subscribe button, pressing that so I can see who's watching, if it was helpful, if you have any questions. And then I'm going to wire these up. And if you have any questions about that, or you want to watch that video, see it's nice and solid. Okay, thanks for watching. So this is it, all done. That's for a really good system. I mean, we got kicker, Kenwood, and a Rockford amp, and then your wiring kit. So that'll be my next video. We'll be wiring these up. If you want to watch that, then stay tuned. Go down and hit that subscribe button. Thanks for watching.